Kubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. I am Tata Punch. Price starting at 5.80 lakhs. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi nginwan ra amangi hakir dob yeng jongpi.
Ale log dẹp sọ chỉ lăng để mình xin xẻo kia cần thay thành răng rồi quay thong thì răng y ăn nuốt cà ri to thì cam.
Kapratarik nailur kadai si karpang jong katho kapuli ya kabalatiap kung ko World Literacy Day. But the United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization kalapan banaya gani kasi kum kasi ban kintiu ya kapuli puthi but rating khong ya jingsa dom sa biet hamalna kishnong githau ha ka prathai bro khoi. West Jaintia Hills District ki Skul baper ki Rakhe ya gani kasi dakaba pelong ya jinga ko balai pujai.
We thank and praise you, dear Lord Jesus, for this moment. We thank and praise you for this day. We in a special way thank God for, as we know, this day is celebrated, the World Literacy Day.
And let us on this day, I don't have much to speak about it, but let us on this day have initiative among ourselves or promise ourselves that whatever we learn, whatever we teach, let us also give a helping hand to those who are in need of us, to those children who are underprivileged, who cannot go to school. Let us have that pledge so that we will help those children and make our world knowledge and success, full of knowledge and success.
Since 2014, our country has been plagued by divisive forces. TMC is in Meghalaya with the mission to empower the people, uphold the ethnic cultures and traditions, celebrate the sacred land. To oust the proxy BJP government from Meghalaya, be the change, support TMC by calling on 96877 96877.